Hello kids! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what I draw today? Yes, I draw a tree. This is very easy drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel that you can draw this at your home. You know tree plays an important role in our life. It gives carbon dioxide. That's useful for us. It's clean the atmosphere. Do you have any tree at your or surrounding? In my house there are 3 trees. And there are a lot of trees at our surrounding. Wow, that's awesome drawing. This is the perfect drawing of tree. Can you draw this at your home? My drawing is almost ready. Don't forget to outline the tree. Outline makes drawing beautiful. Outline looks so beautiful. I like coloring. Let's coloring the tree. First of all, we color in the leaves of the tree. Can you tell me what is the color of leaves? Yes, its color is green. So I use the green color in the leaves. Wow, that's awesome. Use the green color in a smooth way.